What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another unboxing of another really stupid Supreme pickup. So this is from the North Face drop. Resale wise, I did really good, but I wanted only one thing for myself, and it's in this box. So there was only one actual accessory, so I think that kind of gives it away. Let's open this thing up. Got my trusty safety scissors here. Kids always use safety scissors. I don't know if I can't tell if they packaged this well or poor. Okay. Alright, so in this box, of course, here we go. Of course, the world famous Supreme bag. We'll just move that over there. And we got our two box logo stickers. Ooh. I'll put those with the others. And right in this little box. If I can actually open it. That hurts my fingers. Because I don't have fingernails anymore. I'm stupid. Okay, so let's slide out the paper. Anything else? Nope. Oh, how convenient is this? So you got the mirror. Oh, wow. So we have the Supreme hand mirror. It's coming in like a little plastic, which I'm probably going to keep on just so the glass, doesn't break. But yeah, now I can look at my ugly self in an even better way. And honestly, I think I could take a really nice Instagram picture with this. If you don't follow me, Patty Rich's Kicks OG, all together, no caps, all lowercase. But yeah, and also I could reflect the light. Okay, yeah, that's cool. But yeah, just a really another useless Supreme accessory, because I really haven't gotten a lot from this season compared to last season. But next Thursday is the box logos. I don't even know, but whatever. What happens happens. But just one of those really cool little handheld accessories that I was like, yeah, screw it, might as well. It's not gonna hurt me. It was $36 with shipping, 26, 36, and it was pretty good. But yeah, Supreme handheld mirror. So I want to thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. I'll post that down below. And I'm out. See ya. Oh wait. Do you guys see those right up there? Yeah, that'll be for another video. If you sneakerheads know, then you know. But I will see you later.